Tired of peeling potatoes? Welcome to the ultimate showdown of kitchen wizardry. In the left corner, we have hours of tedious peeling, impractical knives, and potential Band-Aid emergencies. And in this corner, presenting the one, the only, Starfrit 93209 Rotato Express Electric Peeler. Imagine transforming a sack of potatoes into mashed marvels with minimal effort. Yes, you heard it right. This nifty gadget peels away your worries in mere seconds with the push of a button. A potato peeled in just 10 seconds, my friends. Relatable cooking dramas? Mom, the apples are peeling themselves. This device's robotic arm is like a sci-fi dream come true, adjusting magically to everything from kiwis to sweet potatoes. Versatility is thy name. Secure your produce with a sturdy clamp, hit that glamorous power button, and behold, peelings swirl away like a magic carpet ride. Fear accidental cuts no more. Your hands are safe, far from any blade's edge. Power options. It's got both. Plug it in or pop in some AAs and you're ready to zest life in fields or kitchens with its online aura portability. And let's talk built-in surprises. Spare blades tucked away like Easter eggs and a thumb knife that scoffs at blemishes. Efficient, reliable, and sleek. This gadget is the superhero your kitchen deserves. Ready to peel back time and hassle? Click the link below and let the Starfrit Rotato Express revolutionize your batch prepping and picnic packing prowess.